In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Exness Web Terminal. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're in your Exness dashboard, click on Trading, top left, and then you want to click on My Accounts. Here, select the account you would like to trade with, so I'm going to use one of my demo accounts for this tutorial, for example, this one down here, and then you want to hit on Trade next to it, and it's going to take you to the Exness Web Terminal where you can go ahead and trade. If it doesn't take you there, for example, because you may have an MT5 account over here, click on Trade, and then you're going to be given a few options. You want to click on the Exness Terminal, and again, it's going to take you over here to their web terminal. So trading here is actually very simple. You just have to search for the instrument you would like to trade. So for example, let's say when you look for Ethereum, there we go. I'm going to click on Ethereum. Okay, and now the Ethereum is on my chart. You can swap up here between different things. You may be, of course, interested into trading. And here on the right, you can then select if you want a one-click form trading or regular form trading. I'm going to do regular. And here you can select either a market or a pending order, where you can then put on the volume, take profits, stop losses, and then you can just go ahead and either sell or buy like this by clicking here. And there we go. Here's now your open position, which you can then modify or close. So that's how to trade on Exness Web Terminal. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.